Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA T20 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced and right under it we've got the reset options. I'm so sorry for this camera and the focusing. So let's tap on Reset Options and as you can see at the very first position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's enter. Here we've got the information that this option will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, the mobile data also, and Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Settings. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you cannot undo this action, so all saved Wi-Fi passwords and so on will be removed. So let's tap on Reset Settings, if you're ready, of course. And as you can see here, we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. What's more, if you will have any screen lock like the pin or pattern, then your device probably will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your NOKIA T20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.